In this video, we're diving into the harsh realities of car ownership, focusing on unreliable models that could leave you stranded, or even worse, drain your bank account with repairs. From costly engine failures to persistent transmission issues, if you're thinking of investing in a long-lasting car that can go at least 50,000 miles trouble-free, these models should be on your do-not-buy list. At number 8, we have the Volkswagen Jetta, a compact sedan that has struggled with reliability despite its popularity and strong driving dynamics. Owners have reported a range of significant issues, especially with the car's engine and transmission. The turbocharged engines, while peppy, have shown a tendency to experience oil leaks and even premature engine failure in severe cases. These problems can lead to costly repairs well before reaching high mileage. Additionally, the Jetta's automatic transmissions have been a source of trouble, with many reports of jerky shifts and early failures. Dual clutch systems are particularly prone to malfunction, making low-speed driving a challenge. Electrical problems also persist, from faulty infotainment systems to unpredictable sensor malfunctions, adding to owner frustration. While the Volkswagen Jetta is an appealing car for daily commutes and city driving, it may not be the best option for those looking for a dependable long-term investment. Extensive repair bills and inconsistent reliability scores suggest it might be a safer bet as a short-term lease rather than a long-term purchase. If you value peace of mind, it might be wise to explore alternatives that are known for their endurance and durability. Next on our list at number 7 is the Rivian R1T, an all-electric adventure truck that has captured a lot of attention with its rugged design and impressive performance specs. Despite the initial hype, early adopters have reported numerous reliability issues, particularly concerning the vehicle's complex electronic systems and battery performance. These problems have raised concerns about whether Rivian's flagship truck is ready for long-term durability. One of the major complaints involves software glitches that affect crucial functions like range estimation and over-the-air updates. Owners have also reported instances where the vehicle's electronics fail entirely, leaving them with a costly and immobile piece of hardware. The battery system, while innovative, has shown inconsistency in cold weather, leading to significant range drops and charging inefficiencies, a critical concern for those planning long-distance trips. Another pain point has been the build quality. Although Rivian has aimed for a luxury off-road experience, some units have been plagued by misaligned panels, water leaks, and rattling noises. These problems become more evident as the truck is exposed to harsher conditions, which ironically are part of the very adventures it's designed for. Given its high price tag, the Rivian R1T doesn't offer the kind of long-term reliability one would expect. Unless Rivian addresses these issues with substantial improvements, owning an R1T past the warranty period is a risky venture. For those in love with the concept, leasing might be a safer choice until the technology matures. Otherwise, sticking to more established electric or hybrid models may be the smarter route. At number 6, we have the Chrysler Pacifica Hybrid, a minivan that's convenient for families but marred by severe reliability concerns. Despite its innovative plug-in hybrid system and spacious interior, the Pacifica Hybrid has experienced widespread reports of malfunctions. One of the most alarming issues involves the hybrid powertrain itself, with problems ranging from engine shutdowns to severe electrical failures. Multiple recalls have been issued, some due to fire risks associated with the hybrid battery, which poses a serious safety hazard. Another common complaint is that Chrysler technicians often struggle to diagnose and repair these problems efficiently, causing prolonged frustration for owners. Even when issues are addressed, the likelihood of recurring faults leaves many questioning the vehicle's dependability. Consumer Reports consistently ranks the Pacifica Hybrid low on reliability, and its reputation as a problem-prone vehicle has only grown over the years. While the Pacifica Hybrid offers excellent practicality, the financial and emotional toll of frequent repairs makes it a questionable choice for long-term ownership. If you're considering this model for its fuel efficiency and family-friendly features, leasing might be a safer option to avoid out-of-pocket repair expenses. Otherwise, look at more reliable minivans that won't let you down when you need them the most. Taking the 5th spot on our list is the Nissan Frontier, a mid-size pickup that has long been admired for its rugged design but falls short when it comes to reliability. The 2019 redesign aimed to revitalize the Frontier, but instead, it introduced a host of issues that have proven costly for owners. One of the most common complaints involves the 9-speed automatic transmission, which often suffers from rough and delayed shifting, leading to a clunky and unpredictable driving experience. These transmission problems can degrade over time, becoming a serious liability and expensive to fix. Beyond the transmission woes, the Frontier's engine has also sparked concerns. Owners have reported engine knocking, coolant leaks, and even premature engine failures. Such issues not only compromise the truck's durability, but also make it difficult to trust for long-term, high-mileage use. Adding to the frustration, the electrical system has its share of faults, with malfunctioning sensors and erratic warning lights being common complaints. The build quality of the Frontier has also been questioned. Owners have highlighted problems such as rattling noises, water leaks in the cabin, and rust issues, especially in regions prone to harsh weather. While these might seem like minor inconveniences, they can accumulate into major headaches, turning a practical pickup into a money pit over time. Consumer Reports has rated the Frontier poorly, reflecting these ongoing reliability challenges. If you're drawn to the Nissan Frontier for its affordability and utility, leasing could be a more practical choice. It allows you to enjoy the truck's initial strengths while sidestepping the avalanche of repairs that often come as the vehicle ages. For long-term dependability, however, you might want to explore other mid-size trucks with better reliability records. Taking the number 4 spot is the Volvo XC60, a luxurious compact SUV that, despite its elegance and safety features, has significant reliability issues. The main areas of concern lie within its electronics and hybrid powertrain components, particularly for models from 2019 onward. Owners frequently report malfunctions in the infotainment system, from frozen screens to connectivity failures. These issues can disrupt daily driving and make the technology feel more like a hassle than a convenience. The XC60's hybrid models have also shown their share of troubles. Complaints include frequent battery management system errors, reduced electric range, and difficulties with charging. Hybrid-related repairs can be not only complex but also exorbitantly expensive, especially once the warranty expires. Another problem area is the advanced driver assistance systems, which are prone to glitches, such as incorrect warnings or system malfunctions, causing further frustration for drivers. Aside from electronic complications, mechanical reliability has been mixed. Some owners have faced engine oil leaks and issues with the turbochargers, which can lead to significant engine performance degradation. As with other European luxury vehicles, repair costs for the XC60 tend to be high, and parts are often harder to source compared to mainstream models. Over time, these factors contribute to an ownership experience that may feel more troublesome than premium. While the Volvo XC60 is undeniably appealing for its design and comfort, long-term reliability is a major red flag. If you're considering this SUV, be aware of the potential for frequent trips to the service center. For those who have their hearts set on the XC60, leasing might mitigate some of the financial risks, but for long-term ownership, there are better options in the luxury compact SUV segment. At number 3, we have the Volkswagen Taos, a small SUV that's been plagued by a variety of reliability issues since its introduction. The main concerns center around its 1.5L turbocharged engine, which has been known to suffer from fuel system problems, engine leaks, and even premature failures. These issues compromise the vehicle's longevity and lead to costly repairs far too soon. Additionally, the Taos dual-clutch automatic transmission has caused frustration among owners, often exhibiting jerky shifting at lower speeds and a tendency to malfunction. When these transmissions fail, repairs or replacements are notoriously expensive. The electrical system is another weak point. Reports of faulty sensors and persistent infotainment glitches are common, making the driving experience unpredictable. These problems become even more worrisome once the warranty period expires, leaving owners vulnerable to mounting repair bills. While the Volkswagen Taos might look appealing with its compact design and advanced features, the risks associated with long-term ownership make it a questionable choice. Leasing can be a safer route, especially if you're captivated by its aesthetics but unwilling to gamble on expensive repairs. Otherwise, there are more reliable small SUVs that provide better peace of mind. Coming in at number 2 is the Jeep Wrangler, a beloved off-roader that's famous for tackling rough terrain but notorious for its poor reliability. The Wrangler's consistent problems lie in its drivetrain and electrical components, areas that are crucial for everyday functionality. Frequent reports detail issues with the transmission, including sudden and hard shifts, which can make even normal driving a challenge. These problems often result in costly repairs, and the concerns are amplified by the vehicle's solid front and rear axles, which can cause harsh on-road handling and premature component wear. The Wrangler is also plagued by significant electronic issues. Owners often experience malfunctions with the vehicle's infotainment system, random dashboard warning lights, and, alarmingly, problems with essential safety features like airbags. The reliability scores from Consumer Reports have consistently rated the Wrangler as one of the least dependable SUVs on the market. And despite updates and improvements in newer models, these underlying issues remain a persistent headache for many drivers. Additionally, the build quality has received criticism. Wind noise, water leaks, and misaligned panels are common complaints, especially when the Wrangler's iconic removable roof is involved. Off-road enthusiasts might forgive these quirks for the sake of performance, but for those looking for an SUV that can handle daily commutes without constant issues, the Wrangler falls short. If you're drawn to the rugged charm and off-road capabilities of the Jeep Wrangler, leasing is often a smarter choice. It allows you to enjoy the adventure-ready design without dealing with the financial burden of long-term repairs. For long-term peace of mind, however, other SUVs may offer a better blend of reliability and practicality. Taking the top spot at number 1 are various Hyundai and Kia models equipped with the notorious 2.0L and 2.4L Theta engines. These engines have developed a well-earned reputation for reliability nightmares, affecting a wide range of popular vehicles, including the Hyundai Sonata, Santa Fe, Kia Optima, and Sportage. The core issue lies in severe engine defects, notably engine knocking, excessive oil consumption, and, in the worst cases, complete engine failure. These problems are often attributed to metal debris left over from the manufacturing process, which can lead to premature wear and catastrophic damage. Over the past decade, millions of Hyundai and Kia vehicles have been recalled due to these engine defects, sparking class action lawsuits and regulatory investigations. Despite extensive recalls and even engine replacements, the underlying problems have persisted, causing a crisis in consumer confidence. Owners often report ticking noises, warning lights, and a sudden loss of power, which can be dangerous if the vehicle fails while driving at high speeds. Even when engines are replaced under warranty, there's no guarantee that the new engine won't suffer from the same issues. Moreover, these engines have been associated with a higher risk of vehicle fires. Hyundai and Kia have had to settle multiple lawsuits and pay substantial fines due to these fire hazards, further emphasizing the severity of the reliability concerns. Repair costs can be astronomical if the warranty doesn't cover the damage. Replacing an entire engine often runs into the thousands of dollars, leaving many owners in financial distress. The automakers have introduced extended warranties for affected engines, but the peace of mind remains elusive for many. If you're considering a Hyundai or Kia model with a Theta engine, be extremely cautious. While these vehicles might offer attractive designs and modern features, the potential for major costly engine failures looms large. Leasing or avoiding these models entirely is often the best strategy to avoid financial headaches down the road. Always do thorough research and consider alternative options if you're looking for long-term reliability. Reliability is a crucial factor when investing in a vehicle, and as we've seen, some models come with a higher risk of expensive headaches. Remember, leasing might save you from these problems, but if you're planning on keeping your vehicle for the long haul, it's wise to consider options with stronger reliability records. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your experiences in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and drive safe.